Hello.
Hello.
Hello. Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah. Please proceed. Yeah.
Okay. So
Yeah.
share my screen. Can you see my screen?
Yes, I can see your screen. Yeah.
Okay. So hi and welcome to the 5th days beginners to advanced course on Google Earth Engine. This training session, and we already covered the 4 days. So I am course conducted. So this is our full course content. Okay, we will cover this full score content within 7 days, and we already covered the 4 days. Okay, so in this time, this is our today is our 5th day, and 5th day course content will be that today mainly we will focus the air quality monitoring, and we also try to discuss all of the part in what air quality monitoring. And okay,
Sir,
Recording
the
in
internet
progress.
connection. Hello.
yeah, can you hear me?
Sir, the internet connection is running a little slow. So, can you hear my voice? Hello.
Yeah, I hear you.
Okay, so I can also see the screen. Yeah, please start here.
Okay. So basically this is our 5th day course content, and today I also try to discuss about the nitrogen dioxide density. So mainly in here I also try to discuss all of the things for the air quality monitoring. Okay, so that you can easily monitor the air quality for the different types of gases, carbon monoxides, then methane, and all of the things we will cover. Then how to make the time series chart for the time series data, and how we can easily using the Google Earth Engine platform. Okay, then we also try to show the different types of the conversation between the mole per meter square to molecules per centimeter cube, and how to make the time series chart for the air quality monitoring, and how to export this map, and how you can easily make the map using the ArcMap software for making the map layout. Okay, so basically this is our 5th day course content, and we also cover in today. Okay, so first of all, nitrogen and methane gas concentration map. You can see after completing this session, you can also making this map like this. So you can also, here I also randomly example for the methane and nitrogen dioxide. You can see here we can see this map for the width, and also we can see this is the another for nitrogen dioxide concentration year of 2020 January, month of January. You can see this is also map. So I hope after completing this session you can also make this map like this, and you can easily make the concentration map. You can also make the, you can do easily. Okay, you can see this is the another things for the nitrogen dioxide levels rebound in Bangladesh. So mainly this is our another research work for, mainly you can see mainly we can observe the nitrogen dioxide level for the before lockdown, and for a specific time period, then during lockdown, then another specific time period, and post lockdown another specific time period. Okay, so you can also do any analysis, okay, like this. So first of all, air quality monitoring. So mainly in this time, when you want to observe the air quality parameters, we move to the Sentinel-5 satellite imagery. Okay, and Sentinel satellite, Sentinel-5, this satellite will be launched in the year of 2017, and this satellite mainly focused on the observation of the different types of air quality data. Okay, we can easily access. Suppose you can see Sentinel-5 is mainly focused on the air quality and the composition of climate interaction with the main data products: ozone, nitrogen oxide, formaldehyde, aerosol, carbon monoxide, methane. Okay, we can easily observe from this sensor. Okay, and this is our main dataset link. So when you can go to this link, you can easily access all of the dataset for the Sentinel-5. Okay, so I just simply copy this dataset link from here and open a browser. So I simply open in here. So here you can see this is the Sentinel-5 This measuring instrument collects data useful for accessing the air quality. Okay. Instrument is the multispectral sensor that records the reflectance of wavelength important for measuring the atmospheric concentration for ozone, methane, formaldehyde, aerosol, carbon monoxide, nitrogen dioxide, sulfur dioxide. Okay, cloud characteristic, spatial resolution. You can see this is the okay. So here you can see different types of aerosol index. So this is the data set for aerosol index. This is the data set for the cloud. This is the data set for the carbon monoxide. This is the data set for the formaldehyde. This is the another data set for the nitrogen dioxide, then ozone, then methane and sulfur dioxide. Okay, so mainly we use this data set and make the different types of analysis. Okay, if you want you can make the time series analysis. If you want you can also calculate it the how many air will be, how many nitrogen dioxide or methane or other gas will be you can say that it will be emission. Okay, as a particular area, how many gas will be emitted, how many nitrogen gas will be emitted in a particular region in a particular time period. Okay, we can also monitor using this platform. Okay, so we will start one by one so that you can easily understand. So in this time, suppose I want to work with the nitrogen dioxide, so I simply click on the nitrogen dioxide. First of all, I also try to show you that how you can easily make the filter. Okay, so I simply go to my slide. Okay, so we already know about that our data set. Okay, so mainly in this time here I use the Sentinel-5 satellite imagery. Okay, and first of all we should know about the import, filter, reduce and clip and display the air quality data in Google Earth Engine platform. Okay, so how to import the data in Earth Engine dataset we can also discuss about this time, and how to filter this data, then how to reduce this image collection, then how to clip on your shapefile using this Google Earth Engine platform. Okay, and how to display the result on the map. Okay, so basically we will go to step by step so that you can easily understand. So I simply open a code editor in here. So this is my code editor. Just I open this code editor, and in this time I want to work with the nitrogen dioxide. So you can see this is my data set. Here you can get all of the information about this data set. Here you can see this is the data set availability date. Okay, and you can see this data set will be start from the 2018. Okay, from the 2020. Okay, we can observe the present time. Okay, so you can see this dataset provider is the European Union SA. Okay, so you can see this dataset resolution is the 1113.2 meters. You can also see the Earth Engine snippet. Okay, so you already know about that. When you want to import this dataset, if you want you can simply search on the top of the code editor. Okay, if you want you can simply search the top of the code editor, or if you want you can just simply copy this collection snippet from here. Just like copy and paste in my code editor. So I simply paste here. So here you can see it will be imported in here, and I also need to add here a variable name. Suppose in this time I simply use this variable name is that data. Okay, data set. So here you can see this data set now imported in my code editor. Okay, so now I want hello, can you hear me?
Hello? Yes, I can hear you. Yeah.
Okay. So you can see here just I simply import my dataset, and you can see this is the dataset variable. It will be stored under this variable. So now I want to filter this dataset according to my region, according to a specific time period. Okay, and then I also need to select my specific band. You can see this is my dataset, and this dataset has some band. You can see this is the nitrogen column number density. This is the tropospheric nitrogen number column number density. Okay, in this time I want to make the map for the nitrogen column number density. Here you can see this unit is the mole per meter square. Okay, so I want to work with this band. Okay, so first of all I just need to select my band, and then I also work with this. So in this time I import my dataset, and then I simply filter this dataset for my specific time period. Okay, so in this time you can see it will be imported in here, and now I want to select my specific band. So I simply copy this my specific band, nitrogen columnar density, and we already know about that. When you want to select any band, then you need to use here the select function. Okay, so I simply use here the select function. Simply paste here this band name, and band name is a string, so that I simply use here the single quote. Okay, then paste my band name. So you can see this band. Okay, so then suppose I want to observe this air quality monitoring. So for this you need to filter your specific date. Okay, so I simply use here the filter, and then I simply paste here my specific date. Suppose I want to filter this time period, year of 2020, 1st January. Okay, and then I also want to import here the end date will be 2020 1st January 31. Okay, so I want to observe the nitrogen dioxide concentration between this time period only for the month of January. I want to observe this. Okay, so I simply select my filter date according this time period. Okay, then I also need to in this time I want to check how many emails will be available for this between this time period. Okay, so I simply use here the print function, and we already know about that. In this time I simply copy this my data set. Okay, then I simply use here the function, it's called the size function. It determines how many emails will be available, okay, between this time period. Okay, so I simply click to the run. You can see we can get here the total 418 emails will be available between this time period. Okay, so now you can see here, and these emails will be taken at the different time of the year. Okay, sorry, month, different time of this month. If you want to check when this image will be captured, so I simply copy this data set and just click to the run. You can get this data set information when this image will be captured. So here you can see total 418 elements. It means that here the total 418 images, and this image will be taken. You can see, so different time of this month. So you can see here this. So here you can see the first image will be captured the 1st January, and a lot of images will be captured the 1st January. Then you can see also some images will be captured the 2nd January. Okay, and 3rd January. Okay, you can see 4th January, you can see 5th January, also you can see 6th January, 7th January, 8th January, 10th January. Okay, see we can get total 418 elements, but this image will be not captured at the same time. Okay, it will be captured, some image will be captured at the 1st January, then other image will be captured the 2nd January, and the different time. Okay, so now I want to work with a, suppose in this time it will be not captured the it will be captured the different time of the month. Okay, so in this time I want to just use here the reduce this collection. Okay, so we can reduce this collection the different way. Okay, suppose I want to get only for the pixel value or average pixel value from the 418 elements. Okay, then I can get only for the one image. Okay, so I want to calculate the total average. Okay, I want to calculate the total average for the 418 images. Okay, I just calculated the average. Okay, then it will be reduces. Okay, and I can get only for the one image. Okay, so I simply use here this mean because I want to get here the average result. So I simply use here the mean. Okay, okay, so now it will be calculated the average result. So I simply click to the run. So what's happening, you can see only I can get one band because in this time it will be provide only for my one image. Okay, and this is the total, we can say that this is the only for the average result. Okay, so I want to get the only for the one image. Okay, so now I want to show this image in my map interactive view. So I simply use here the map.add layer function. I simply use here the map.add layer function, and then just simply call it. Okay, then I click to the run. So now we can get this result in here. For the in this time I can get this result for the whole world. Okay, and you can see we can totally get the black. Okay, so we did not add any, you can see we did not add any visualization parameters, so that's why it looks like. Okay, so I want to add here the some visualization parameter. So I simply go to this information sheet. Here you can see they are already used the visualization parameter. I simply copy this and paste here. Okay, then I simply copy this visualization, I simply paste here and then click to the run. So now we can get this result. You can see for the between this time period, year of month, year of January.
Issue is going to persist for long or not.
Okay, so now we can, I hope now it will be not happen again. So I change.
Are you okay with connecting on Sunday?
Yeah. Okay, so now we can see my screen.
Hello.
Yeah.
Sir, I was just asking whether or not we should connect on Sunday, because I think this network issue might be from my area.
Yeah.
So I'm not pretty sure, because so are you okay connecting on Sunday, or else we can continue today also, it's fine.
Okay, no problem. If you want, you can do these classes on the Sunday, no problem, and night time. Okay, we can also join.
Sunday same time is what you're saying?
Yeah, same time.
Okay. Or should we continue and see if the thing works, then it's fine?
Yeah.
I think you can continue till the time the thing doesn't stop. I hope it shouldn't.
Okay, so if you have, you can also do these classes on the next Sunday, no problem. We can continue.
Yeah, the next Sunday we will be. Yeah, next Sunday we will be having the class anyway, sir. So what I'm saying is that if today's class gets interrupted due to some network problem, I think it's better if we connect on Sunday.
Okay, no problem. We can continue these classes as a 5th class on the Sunday, no problem.
Yeah. So what would you recommend at this moment is what I want to know.
So in this time here the networking issue.
What are you recommending?
So in this time, I hope if you are the some networking issue, so that's why we can connect these classes on the next Sunday.
On next Sunday, I was actually wondering, like, if we can do for 1 hour and see the thing works, then it's fine, and another 1 hour we can see whether Sunday would be possible or not.
Yeah, I don't understand. Your voice is not clear here. Hello?
Yeah, and the voice is breaking also now.
Yeah.
Hello?
Yeah, I hear you clearly.
Hello?
I hear you clearly. Can you hear me?
Can you hear me, sir?
Yeah, I hear you.
Yes, I can hear you right now.
Yeah.
Okay.
So you can say before I cannot hear you. What you say?
What I was telling you was that if today we are having any problem with the network connectivity, maybe having the class on Sunday might work.
Okay, no problem. We can connect it in this time. No problem.
So should we? So what I want to know is, should we keep the class going on right now, or should we just shift it to Sunday?
So it will be shifted to next Sunday. Okay, no problem. So in this time here your networking issue as well as, and so that's why you can, in this class we shifted the next Sunday. Okay, no problem.
Okay, because otherwise I am okay with if you go along. I'm fine. I see your screen right now. So I was just thinking that if the class drops in between, I want you to Sunday.
Okay, so your voice is also breaking. So I think we will continue from this next Sunday. So it will be better. Hello? Hello? Hello?
Hello.
Hello? Now can you hear me? Hello? Hello?
Okay.
Okay, your voice is breaking. So I cannot hear you clearly. So we will continue. We will shift these classes the next Sunday. No problem. And you can just continue at the same time. Okay, just try to join. Okay, next Sunday we will continue from here. Okay. Do. Hello. Next Sunday we also continue from here. No
Hello?
problem. Yeah, I hear you now.
Sir, can you hear me?
Yeah, I hear you. And next Sunday we'll
Yes,
continue.
sir.
No problem.
I can hear you.
Yeah. So next Sunday we will continue. We shifted these classes and continue from here.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, so next Sunday is sir. Sir, next Sunday.
Yeah.
Okay, sir, and sorry for the network issues. I don't know why it is happening right now. I don't know that.
Okay, no problem. We continue for the next Sunday. Okay.
Hello?
Yeah, I hear you.
Okay, so on 6th of March, then on 6th of March.
Yeah.
So then
We continue. Okay.
let us continue here at this point.
Okay, good night.
Hello.
Yeah, okay.
Okay, sir, good night, sir.
Okay.
Yeah.